So on 15th of August, this is what I summarized. These are the main pillars which we should never forget, that this is the value add India gives to the world, that India is the oldest living civilization. In the riches of India's times, India never attacked any other civilization. India never destroyed any other civilization in a direct fight. Fourth, even in indirect fight, India never supported destruction of any other civilization or country ever for thousands of years till today. Fifth, India is the only country that gave message that all religion in the world are true, and India truly gave a message that Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that without converting to Hindu religion, anybody in the world does whatever karma, based on that they will be dear to the God, even if they do not convert to Sanatan Dharma. And hence it is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, and Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is also about respecting animals. They are as equal as human, living and non-living things. This message India gave. Next, guys, am I missing anything? India never launched any missionaries for religious conversions in their richest of the times till today. We do not have religious missionaries to convert people and bring in Sanatan Dharma, because we and only we believe that all religions are true. Next, yaad aa gaya. Next, India gave this message that somebody who is an atheist is also dear to the God, while in other religions there is a strong punishment for atheist. एथिस्ट जहन्नम में जाएगा, यहां तक कि उसको मार देने के बारे में भी कहा गया दूसरे धर्मों में. भारत में एथिस्ट को भी कहा गया बेस्ड ऑन हिज कर्मा ही विल बी डियर टू द गॉड, बेस्ड ऑन द कर्मा. एवरीबडी, इवन इफ ही सेज आई डू नॉट बिलीव इन श्री कृष्ण, क्योंकि भगवान का नजरिया इतना छोटा नहीं है, वो वास्तव में परम पिता की तरह बिहेव करता है. द इंडियन गॉड बिहेव्स लाइक परम पिता, Supreme Father, who is not angry just because somebody rejects his existence. Sri Krishna is not angry. He still says, no worries. If you are doing good karma, you would still be my dear. Right, people? This is why India is important on the world map. This was my initial question, people, which I asked you. Why is India so important on the world map? What different India brings to the table? This was my question, and I just summarized it for you people. आप समझ गए कि इंडिया क्यों डिफरेंट है इस दुनिया में? इन वजहों से डिफरेंट है. ये वैल्यूज, ये मैसेज इस दुनिया में इंडिया से हजारों साल से जा रहा है, आज तक जा रहा है. इसीलिए इंडिया हैज बीन विश्व गुरु फॉर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ ईयर टिल टुडे. आज तक विश्व गुरु का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि पैसा कमाना सिखाएंगे, हम टेक्नोलॉजी सिखाएंगे. नो, ओनली फॉर स्पिरिचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड ज्ञान योग. इसलिए इंडिया स्पिरिचुअल गुरु.